Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning of Friday. We're finally there, and we are at December 22nd, 2023, 8:10 a.m. Central Time. Monday will be Christmas, so let me take this moment out to wish one and all Merry Christmas. I thank you for watching my show. Remember, if you'd like to subscribe and you're a YouTube person, you don't want to go to the website, just look on the bottom of this page to the right, I believe it is, and you just click there and make your subscription, and then you're getting my subscriber videos, and I think you'll find them possibly worth your time. We've done a good year. If I could do this year what I did last year, I'm a happy camper in terms of the recommendations and their outcome. It's that simple. So we did get some economic data. Why don't we go right to it and talk about that? Monthly personal income spending and the PCE price. That's what you got to go to. Go to your core PCE month over month first. Up 1/10. The prior was up 0.2, right what the market expected. The year over year, up 3.2. The prior was 3.5. This is lower than the market expected. These are friendly numbers, period. It tells the Fed this. Let's smile. We're getting what we want. So they've engineered, at this point, a soft landing, and it keeps showing up. Did you look at today's rates on the 10-year? The 10-year note is trading right where it ended 2022 at. So with all the craziness, all the rate hikes, the people talking we're going to 6%, all that we dealt with, you're right back under 4% in the 3.88 range. Durable goods, the consumer's buying the big ticket items. Look at this. They expected it up 2%. They got 5.4. This is big. That's November. This isn't your Christmas buying. The consumer came back and they started buying their big ticket items. Ex-transportation up 0.5%. That's 0.5 point better than it was the month before. And durable goods, ex-defense, were up 6.5%. That's about in line to 6.7 before that. Now we're going to get new home sales data for November. That's going to come out very shortly here at 9 o'clock. And then we're going to get the University of Michigan prelim December consumer sentiment indices at 9 o'clock. I can't imagine that the consumer's not feeling really good about what they've got. So that's what I'm looking for. My goal today is to do at the end of the day your market wrap-ups, by the way, on the weekly basis for you. Remember, you won't have me here on Monday. It's Christmas Day. I have every intent, though. I'll be back for Tuesday, right into the end of the year for you. Dollar index doing very much what, remember that special report that I did 2 weeks ago? I think it was a week ago Thursday, yesterday, that I put the report out. I'm getting what I wanted out of that. As you take a look at metals, I like what I'm seeing in the metal markets. I don't see why gold can't ultimately, the word is not on this necessary run, but ultimately go back and challenge that 2130 to 2150 area. And I'm not going to be surprised to see silver in the high 2550 to 2600 area later on. Bonds and notes, took one look at these PCE numbers, and what did they do? They went up right away. Grain market's sort of soft here. Cotton is a whipsaw market right now. You're getting false breakouts to the upside and downside, not going anywhere. As we take a look at the energy markets, well, basically what's going on is the market is pricing in the Red Sea event. Nothing positive has come out of that. So far, ships are having to reroute. Very expensive to do so, adding between 7 days to 11 days to routes. And the different types of ships are interesting because, you know, you get your Paramax, your Supermax, all the different cargo, tanker ships for oil, we should say. And they run between 600,000 barrels and 1 million barrels on each one of these. And the question is, which ones can go where? How do they get through everything? It's a very, very serious issue. And the world has to resolve it. I use the word the world. It's not a U.S. problem. It is a world problem, and they have to come to a solution on that. Again, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe right here and stay on YouTube to watch all this, it's really simple. Look at the bottom right, give it a try. You can cancel it at any time, but I think you'll find fascinating work that I do. That's what I think, at least. You have a great Christmas. My wife will say it's fascinating, and I talk to you later. I'll see you this evening with your end of the week reviews. Take care.